Hey everybody, I'm John with Irie AT, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Readit software to export your document to a variety of different accessible file formats. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to scan in a page. So I have a textbook to open here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the camera icon, which is in the upper left-hand corner, or I could press enter as well. So I'm going to click on that.
Capturing.
Captures our document.
Recognizing.
And it's going to say recognizing.
Review questions.
And then it's going to start reading.
1.
So it OCR'd it, it recognized it, and then started reading it aloud to me. So I'm going to stop that because what I want to do is actually go export this. You'll also notice that it switched to high contrast white on black because that was the last setting I was using, and it does remember that for you as well. So once we have our document in here, you could capture one page, you could capture multiple pages, but once we have your document in here, we simply go to the File menu.
1.
And we have a couple different export options. So we can either go to export, which allows us to choose our export format and then go ahead and export it, or we could do a quick export. And quick export, you'd have to set up the settings. There's just below quick export, there's quick export options, and you could choose your preferred output option. So say MP3 audio, for example, we could set that as our preferred, and then we can just use the keyboard shortcut Control Q, and it will quick export whatever we have scanned in, just like that. Or we can do just simply export, which is Control T. And so I'm going to just go ahead and click on export here. Brings up a little window here, which is just kind of like your file explorer for navigating around your computer. And it lets you choose here what you want to name your document. By default, it gives it names it the date, but you could choose whatever you would like. And then there's a little drop down below that to choose the format you'd like to export out to. So we have PDF as an option, RTF, TXT, Word document, JPEG, or MP3 audio. So I'm going to go ahead and export mine to MP3 audio, and then I'm going to choose where I'd like to save it. Just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and save it to my desktop, and then I click save. And it's going to bring up a little window here and shows you your export progress. It takes just a minute here to export out your document.
Export complete.
Okay, the export is complete, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to minimize this. Here's my exported file right here. I'm going to open that up. Here's my MP3. I'm going to go ahead and use Windows Media Player to open that up.
Page 1. Review questions. 1. What is the difference between primary and secondary data?
And there we go.
Advantages and disadvantages of secondary data.
So there's an MP3 file that we could say, use on your phone, use on an MP3 player. So whatever document you capture and scan in with the Readit software, you can then just export to a variety of different formats that you can use. Maybe take an MP3 file on the go. Maybe you need it in a PDF document to send to a teacher or something, or a colleague. Maybe you need it in a Word doc so that you can actually edit it, so since it was just a printed out thing. Whatever it may be, there's a variety of different export options that you can do from the Readit software, and that's just one of the powerful tools it has. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.